Hey, hey, hey! Hey there! Welcome back to Grammar Made Simple with me, Cassie. Today is lesson 3 of Common Grammar Mistakes, and we'll be focusing on affect versus effect. Have you ever wondered whether to use affect or effect? You're not alone. You are not alone. I am here with you. Okay, let's get back to the lesson because I too have made mistakes with the words affect and effect. These two words can often confuse you because they sound similar. But hey, let's make it simple. First, let's start with affect. AFFECT. Affect is usually a verb. A verb is an action word. Affect means to influence or change something. Examples: the rain will affect our picnic. Too much screen time can affect our sleep. Missing breakfast may affect our concentration. Remember, affect equals an action. Affect, AFFECT. Next, we have effect, EFFECT. Effect is usually a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Effect means a result or outcome. Examples: the medicine had a positive effect. The rain had little effect on the game. The new rule had a good effect on the school. Remember, effect equals end result. Now, let's compare. The storm affected traffic. The effect of the storm was heavy traffic. Do you notice how affect shows the action while effect shows the result? Yeah, so one can influence the other. When something affects someone or something else, the chain reaction is an effect. Understand? Now for a quick review. Affect is usually a verb, which is an action, while effect is a noun that ends with a result. Affect and action. Effect is the end result of said action. Now it's your turn. Which word belongs in each sentence? 1. The loud noise had an blank on my concentration. 2. Lack of sleep can blank your mood. Number 3. The new policy had a positive blank on employees. Number 4. The weather may blank our plans. Hey, drop your answers in the comments. Before I go, remember, learn, practice, improve. Because hey, practice makes perfect. Follow for more simple grammar lessons. See you soon.